What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into the channel. Today we're going to check out Terra Luna Classic. We're going to look at the bullish and the bearish scenario for LUNC. So stick around for this video. I'm going to keep it nice, short and sweet for you. But yeah, we can see we've folded a little bit over the last 7 days, haven't we? We've been chopping around this kind of level between the low 3.1s and also the mid sort of 2.5 level. And we can see the market cap has now come down to $1.786 billion, trading at $0.00029, down 6% against Bitcoin, down 7% against the mighty Ethereum today. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe, get yourself into the Discord. There's 527 amazing people in the Discord channel, so come join in on the crypto fun, share your opinion, share technical analysis. You can talk about anything you want here. As we see, there's a lot of people learning a lot of different and new exciting things, so get yourself in the Discord channel. I'd love to see you there. So before we crack on with the particular technical analysis, let's have a look. So Kraken Tier 1 centralized exchange have just announced some news. We can see here Luna and UST updates on Kraken. So below are updates that are planned and completed for Terra and Terra 2.0. So let's have a little look. Kraken wants you to be aware of certain fees that will result from proposals 3568 and 4159. These proposals will introduce a 1.2% tax burn for on-chain transactions with Terra Classic Luna and Terra USD Classic UST on the Terra Classic network. So deposits transactions will be taxed by the Terra Classic network. We've got before they reach Kraken. When depositing Luna or UST on Kraken, the deposit transaction must include the 1.2% tax in its transaction fee, as well as a sweep fee that will be deducted off the deposited amount by Kraken, 1.2%. So that's really big news right here. So I wanted to share this with you because we're seeing loads of tier 1 centralized exchanges adopting and employing or deploying the 1.2% burning mechanic. So very important to understand what is exactly going on. As for withdrawals, when moving Luna or UST off of the Kraken exchange, transactions will be taxed by the Terra Classic network before they reach your external address. The balance will be credited to your external wallet minus the 1.2% tax deduction by the network. So this is of course really healthy for burning more Terra Luna Classic, etc., reducing that ever so inflated circulating supply. So this should be really healthy for the actual ecosystem for Terra Luna Classic, and hopefully from here we're going to see some good things. So let's get into that technical analysis. We're about 2 minutes into this video already, and let's see what could potentially happen. So remember, first things first, we have already seen big corrections like this for Luna Classic, 55% over here, and what did we have over here? We had 59% so far. So first things first, phase of euphoria here, we're getting the correction like we had over here. We had the correction, we came down below the 0.618 fib level, and over here we came down, guess what, and below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Now what we've had is a classic falling wedge, typically a bullish reversal pattern, which did actually see a nice pump to the upside. Now following that bullish reversal, we are now into a symmetrical triangle. So you can see we're getting these very traditional swings, followed by the resistances, down to the supports, up to resistance, back down. So we might anticipate we'll get a pump to 0.00316 in the near future, but we could equally get another swing low back down to 0.000281. So what I do anticipate happening, it depends very much on the trajectory of Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market, right? Nothing goes up without Bitcoin usually going up. However, it is important to consider that Luna Classic or Terra Luna Classic or whatever you want to call it is now a community-based token. So just like a meme coin, a lot of the euphoria and the price action is catalyzed by the community, big fundamentals and protocol upgrades based around Luna Classic, especially with the burning. I mean, we had loads of FUD around the Do Kwon arrest, things like that caused massive capitulation in the price. And we hit this bottom and we already came up rapidly. This bottom here offered you potentially a 39% increase in price if you did catch that dip. So let's have a look. If we can break through the resistance here at 0.000314, I anticipate a retest of the 0.000334 resistance range over here. If we get a bounce breakthrough, we could come up to 0.00036 over here. If we do break down below, potentially we could, because we are producing a bit of rollover here. We're getting rejected at the top of the triangle, the resistance range. We might see a bit of a correction down to the 0.00025 price level. Furthermore, we could see the 2.3 and also the 2.2 if things do get really bad for Luna Classic. Hopefully they won't. I would like to see that we can consolidate and chop between sort of the maybe the 2.5 and the 3.3 level over the next few days or weeks. We need a lot of time trading sideways for Luna Classic at the moment. That's very, very important. Some targets we can look at for the future, of course. The golden pocket here on the extension is a 0.00046. That's a vital level of resistance. But if we do break that 0.59, the local high that we had, I've got my eyes set on the 0.00069 level, and at best, if we do see a really bullish October, November, which typically we do, historically September's look really, really nasty for cryptocurrency, then we should at least see a $0.00081 Luna Classic. I think that is still a very, very healthy price target for Luna Classic, even at these lower levels, because whilst we are still down 50% from the top, remember that we are actually up significantly from these lows that we had in August. I mean, look at this, we're still up 290% from that particular low there. And if you go even further back in time, I mean, if we look over here from June, we are up a massive 558%. So guys, try not to worry too much in the short term. And yeah, I think that's really what we're going to see for Luna Classic over the next few days, is chopping around. There will be a big decision made soon, because we are in a symmetrical triangle, as we can see for Luna Classic, going back to this 4-hour time frame, that we are in that symmetrical triangle. Moving the 20-day moving average, you get the Bollinger Bands. We haven't yet touched the support range, just like we have many times, and we haven't got rejected at that resistance just yet. So we're sitting bang slap in the middle, just comfortably consolidating, waiting for the next decisive move here for Luna Classic. So let me know in the comments, do you think it'll be up? Do you think it'll be down? I kind of think it's going to be up for some reason. I just can imagine the bulls getting a reversal here, especially leading into October, where we have the bullish months. Remember guys, if you're new, get yourself into the Discord channel down below. Check out the $100,000 Tamadoge giveaway, because that's super exciting, and that pre-sale has just ended. By the way, check out my recent Tamadoge video on that, because it's going to get launched in a few weeks on a tier 1 centralized exchange, which we don't know what it is yet, but it's going to happen soon. You can see on their website some massive stuff. Wearing my Tamadoge t-shirt right here, actually, because I'm super, super stoked and hyped on this pre-sale. Cannot wait for it to go to public launch. And yeah, that's about a wrap, really. If you're new here, do consider becoming a patron, guys. You're going to get trading signals, access to premium Discord, a free ebook, one-on-one lessons, anything you need to really help you learn, grow, and prosper in the cryptocurrency markets in this crypto bear market, setting you up for the next crypto bull run. I will help you with anything, if it's setting up wallets, exchanges, understanding indicators, patterns, absolutely anything. I will try my best to attend you, even though I'm quite a busy person. It might just be one message per day or something to help you in the crypto market. So consider that. If you want to support, it's just £3 or £5 price for coffee, or a burger, depending on which package you go for. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. There'll be another crypto competition soon. I'm hoping to do one in October or November to give back to the community. Do subscribe if you're new here. You lovely people, you. And bye for now.